My pod experience was great and very helpful.
My pod experience was great. The training was hands-on, more one-on-one.
I learned a lot about code. I learned a lot about spacing, the boxes and why, there's a plug in every 6 feet or every 12 feet in a wall break.
It was good. It was pretty eye-opening, especially because I've never had really any electrical training before this. It was all field experience, so it's definitely a new experience for me.
My pod experience was more than I expected. I did things that I never thought I would learn, and I'm really excited for the opportunity that I got during taking the classes, and I'm ready to apply them out in the field.
I learned how to navigate through the code book better.
Through the pod, I learned a lot about the code book, just learning how to navigate the code book, and also just more hands-on experience, which is always helpful.
The advice I would give to somebody else about to take the pod is to do it. Take in the whole experience, go in with an open mind and willing to learn and do whatever they tell you to do to further your career.
Take this opportunity that they're giving us to the fullest. I've worked for some companies before, and it's hard to come by opportunities like this where the company invests in you and their employees.
You're not going to learn this in the field.